Now, I would argue the idea of taking these speakers out of a brand new, or at least at the time, 25, they definitely paid for the stitching. That's what we got. So I use this to get up under this, to pull this out, like that. These words we use just make no sense. Okay, so one would argue that. I would say, as easy as this is to pull off, it's only 2 10 mils under these covers. If you don't want to, then don't pull them off. You can just jerk your way around that little clip over here, because this one in the corner is a little tight, and considering you have these here, the JBL, it's doable. You can get away with it, but you got to be careful pushing them back in to get the cover on. You see how it rubs against this? If you're neurotic, I would just take this off. But it's up to you. It's your truck. I did not take it off to show you that you can or cannot. So I'm gonna take these 2 10 mils out and see what they are. So, with a short 10 mil, I guess, but I'm fortunate enough to have one of these, I would use this, and that loosens up all the way by the windshield, and then do the rest by hand. But if you don't have that, I guess you can use a short ratchet with a socket and see what these are. Made in probably 2.5. I don't know if I would recommend any aftermarket. I mean, this thing's brand new at the time, but I mean, it's up to you. I'll put a link, I guess, to something I would recommend, but you know this thing's got an amplifier. You know it's probably 8 ohm system, but it's up to you. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.